Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change your headlight bulb, low beam bulb, on a 07 Mazda 3. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To open the hood release cable is located down on the driver's side in the knee area. It's right here. It's clearly indicated with a hood open. Safety latch is located in the center of the symbol. You push it over to the driver's side, lift it up. The hood rod is clearly indicated with an arrow. Going to bring my hand in here and release the actual socket connector, the electrical connector. That's 2 ears on the side. I'm going to pinch and pull it out. Then there's a rubber boot. It's a weather boot to stop weather from getting inside the headlamp assembly. Pull that out. Now there's a metal prong. You have to push down and release and turn it over. So once I find it, push down. It's like a spring type. So I pushed it down and remove the headlight. This particular car has an extension socket for the bulb. These are H7s. As you can see, it has flat spot and a flat spot, so it's kind of problem solving proof, because either way I put it on, the flat spades line up with it, so it's going to line up the proper way. So this was the lockdown spring that I'm talking about. So it basically goes down inside. There's a little latch in there. You push it over with your finger. If you have a mirror, like a little handheld mirror, you can do this once you get to get in there. And you can also, when you do that, get a mirror, you can see which way the alignment mark goes. So I'm going to put it in. Just spin the bulb around till I find the alignment mark. There I go, I got it. I'm going to push down that spring and put it in the lock. I'm going to get a mirror and I'm going to look in there to see if I've gotten it correct. Now that we have the bulb in there and the spring clip down on it, it's time to replace the rubber boot that goes on the back. So you're going to push the 2 electrical prongs for the headlight through the center like that. And then it presses around the seal. Just forms a nice seal in there. The electrical connector, I look for any burnt connectors, any bad markings. I don't see anything, so we should be all set. Reconnect it. Push it down. Move on to the driver's side. So I'm going to remove the battery cover. That's just a matter of, there's a clip here and 2 ear prongs. Click down in, they slide in like that, and then that snaps down, so like that. Pull that ear up, push that aside. We've got to take the direct air flow out, so there's a body clip over here. Pull up on that tab, and then we're going to pull that out and slide it. So it's basically the same procedure over here. It's just getting to the headlight that is different than the passenger side. Once you move all that stuff out, then you just do the same thing you did on the passenger side, lining up the keyway, getting that spring out of the way. So that's the clip in the way it goes on the other side also. So it seems like a better view over here, so I wanted to give that to you. I'm going to replace that protected boot, the weather boot. Connect your 2 prongs. Now we'll reassemble the airbox cover, battery cover. So see this slot here? This is going to line up with a groove underneath here. Actually, they make a nice little arrow right here for you. And then this is going to sit down in that battery cover. Bring the push pin over, put it in that spot. And then we'll put the battery cover on. 2 ears in the back, line up with the slots. And then push down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.